Hello friends. Today we have a Samsung Galaxy A03 Core phone for repair. One phone has a non-working board. Unfortunately we couldn't repair it. So I ordered the same phone, only with a broken screen. Now we will assemble one phone from two phones. So let's get started. I'll take the cover that is not damaged. The other one has damage. This one is much better, so we'll install it. Let's try to start the phone and then we'll assemble it to the end. Now as you can see, the phone is in good technical condition. Let's check everything. The touch screen works. I'll also check the cameras now. You also need to check if the sound works. Everything is great. Two cameras, sound and display work. I hope the video was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in new videos.